Hello, chef, and what do we have here? Oh yeah, this is a beautiful chicken stock. The color, the clarity, the strength of it. This is the real deal. So make yourself a really good chicken stock, and then after you've got that chicken stock going, follow along with my recipe. Here we go. We're making potato leek soup. Leeks, as you know, are two different tastes. The tops taste very different than the bottoms. You don't eat the roots, however, this is perfect for chicken stock. So we're going to save these for the next stock. Lots of dirt. Leeks are grown in sand. No big deal. We're going to remove that. So the first step, of course, is to select some really nice potatoes. These beautiful ones here come from Idaho. I've got about 3 pounds of potatoes, and we're going to peel them up. Okay, so for this recipe I like to just split my potatoes in half, maybe cut them again like this, okay? Just kind of a large chunk is fine. And we're going to repeat right along like this. Nice. Okay, we get these potatoes out of the way. And working with the leek, we want to remove the bottom. We're going to save this part for another recipe. Just because it's too much leeks, I don't need that much. This is going in my soup right here. Beautiful. I'm going to split it right down the middle. Then I'm going to remove some of this sand. Okay, and that's looking really good. By the way, a little tip for you. We all eat dirt. The idea is to eat a little bit less than the next guy. You want to eat less dirt than your neighbor. Okay? So these are looking really good. We're just going to cut these into some small chunks like this. Okay? That's it right there. Okay? This is what I need right now. I'm putting garlic because I like garlic. Garlic is completely optional in this recipe. Alright, so now we have to strain off our chicken stock. Okay, I've got my saucepan here. A little touch of olive oil. My garlic goes in. Some leeks go in. And you let them cook. Okay, in this recipe I'm using a pinch of cayenne pepper. Also using a teaspoon of dried parsley. As well as a teaspoon of minced shallots. At this point, potatoes go in. Cover with chicken stock. And we let it cook. Approximately 25 minutes. Oh yeah, looking good. So we cook it until the potatoes are nice and tender, like this. They break apart. And then we're using an immersion blender. just like this. Okay, one last thing. We like to finish with a little bit of heavy cream. Just gonna put about a half a cup of heavy cream in there. At this point we taste. Oh yeah. Need some more salt. The finished soup. Sauteed leeks for the garnish. Finished soup, serving 6 ounces here. Some sauteed leeks. As well as a touch of sour cream. Right on top. That's the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh, that's gonna be good. These are the best butcher blocks you can buy. Perfect for holidays, makes a great gift. This is an heirloom that will be last for a lifetime. I really like them. Chefs use them on TV, in restaurants and hotels. You can too. Visit the sponsor, free shipping. Have a great day.